everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this week's analysis we start with gold. On this chart, the corrective trend seems to have likely ended within this triangle pattern, and we expect the upward trend to continue from this area. Based on this, the price is expected to stabilize above the resistance trend line and the red resistance zone. Once it holds above this area, the bullish trend could continue toward the marked targets on this chart. However, if the price fails to hold above the resistance zone, the corrective trend may continue toward the previous low. Next, we have Euro-USD chart. After completing the corrective move, we saw the beginning of an uptrend. This uptrend could continue by breaking through the resistance zone toward the resistance trend line. Any pullback after breaking the resistance could lead to a continuation of the upward trend. There is also the potential for a corrective pattern to form like this. And after this correction is over, we could see the continuation of the bullish trend with a stabilization above the resistance trend line, reaching the chart's target zones. On the Bitcoin chart, following the break of a long-term trend line, the price was able to move beyond the green support zone. The ABC pattern, as we have marked, may still play out as either a 3-wave or 5-wave structure. As long as the price doesn't break above the 162 level, we might continue to see a corrective and sideways trend in this area. If the price manages to move beyond the 61.8% level, the bullish trend may continue toward the resistance zone. Breaking and holding above this level could then push the price further upward. Currently, we are watching two main areas: the 162 level as support and the 61.8% level as resistance. A breakout from either zone could trigger a short-term bullish or bearish move on this chart. On the Dow Jones chart, based on the current corrective movement, an ABC corrective pattern may be forming. The price could complete wave C of pattern above the 61.8% level or possibly the 78 level with lower probability. This would then set the stage for the beginning of an upward trend. The 50% and 61.8% levels are key areas where the current correction may end. Once wave C is complete, the bullish trend could likely continue, possibly breaking through the resistance trend line. If the 78% level breaks instead, the correction could deepen toward lower support levels. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop us a comment. Catch you in the next one.